Hello guys, so as promised, I'm going to show you what the top two boxes mean, what the bottom two boxes mean, how to calculate the mode, what net difference means, how to calculate the mean, and another word for top two boxes, it also means T2B as well. And why researchers love the top two boxes, it is because they will know the two top ones that the customers has picked it out for their surfaces. So is the surface very different? Does it have a large advantage, small disadvantage, or no advantages? So how you calculate the top two boxes, what I first usually do if I see the data looking like this, I will first change the percentage distribution back to whole numbers. So how you would do that is first you right click, you format the cells, and you go back under the number row from decimal places, you change it back to 0. And I will also add back in the total row. So you go under table design, you click total row. And this is really good for if you are cross-checking your work to see if everything makes sense. Also, how to calculate the mode. Mode means the what number or what is the biggest number that shows up in your worksheet. So for my mode right now, it is fairly different and it is 54%. Net difference and two boxes means exactly the same. Mean, how you calculate that, it is equal 56 and then divided by 4. And my mean, it is 14. How to calculate the two top boxes. So right now my top two boxes is very different and fairly different. So this one, it is very different, and that one, it is 18%. Fairly different, it is 54%. And how I would calculate the top two boxes percentage is you add it up. So as every Excel formula, there's always an equal sign. So equal 18 plus 54. That will be 71%, and the net difference, you can do it again for this one too. So equal 18 plus 54, 71. The downfall of only knowing the top two boxes, the T2B, is that you will not know the full story. So if the researchers wants to know the facts quick and simple and only wants to know the positive results, and he would only know that, 71% only thinks that their product is very different and fairly different. He would not know about the bottom two boxes. He would not know about the whole entire story of what is going on. That is the downfall of only knowing the top two boxes. How to calculate the bottom two boxes? Same thing as calculating the top two boxes. This one we will only know is the downfall of it, the disadvantages of it. So same thing, not very different. It is 23. Not at all different. That one, it is only 5%. And to know the percentage, again, all you need to do is put the equal sign, 23% plus 5%, and it is 29. And another way to cross-check to see if your data is correct, all you need to do is add your two numbers together. So equal 71 plus 29 equals to 100%. So you know that your calculations, it is correct. Hope this helps, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.